With the rapid rise of generative AI and deepfake tools, how the nature of NCI has changed in terms of scale, accessibility, and sophistication.
When I think of NCII, we're talking about AI and we're talking about how this harm is changing or transitioning. But if we're really honest, all of us will remember that case, that really heartbreaking case, which was in a Delhi-based school where pictures were circulated in MMS, format. So it's not a new harm. This has been around for a really long time, image-based abuse. We're seeing different variations of it and different versions of it come out. What's really changed is how these technologies have become so democratized and they become so accessible that people are using them on the go, on the move. It used to take a lot if you were trying to generate an image like this, be it like a real image or a synthetic image. It used to take a lot more coordination or effort to do something like this. And now it's getting more accessible, more easy. And even the spread of these, just given where they are being shared, is changing. So I think that's what we're seeing shift. But in terms of the victim's perspective, it's as hard or devastating to have your image shared, where be it a real image, be it a synthetic image. The consequences of it can be as far reaching as and as devastating as always. So the harm itself hasn't shifted. It's the way that it's being perpetrated that we are seeing certain shifts on.